Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Samuel Ayinla from Adel'on Energy Services. I'm making this video today because of fake Jinko panel that is in the market and how you can identify original from fake. Of course, for every genuine currency, any part of the world, there will always be fake. So there are two ways for you to identify original Jinko panel. One is from the sticker that is pasted on it, and the other one is verification of the serial number on Jinko website. So I'm going to demonstrate that in this video. First, come and look at how the sticker of a genuine Jinko panel looks like. You can see it has a barcode. It has the standard that is working with UK and Canadian standard, and you can see other spec of the Jinko panel. So this is how to identify from the sticker and also the serial number. This is what you will need on the Jinko website for you to verify. I'm going to demonstrate that to you very shortly. The serial number. Can you see? This is the serial number. This serial number you see here is not pasted on the glass. It's engraved behind the glass. So this is how to verify. Any Jinko panel that you do not see serial number inside is fake. Okay, and the other one that does not have the kind of sticker I told you is fake. So this is the serial number we are going to use to verify on Jinko site for you to understand. Thank you. See, I have Jinko site here. I'm at Jinko site. If I go to, you see, SN authentication, I click on search. For this product, it was produced for Namibia, but we ship it to Nigeria. So let me get to Namibia. Yeah. Then I'm going to scan the serial number. The serial number I told you, you see. Then I'm going to put the code 9080 and verify. So let's wait for it. It's going to, yeah, voila. We can see. It says country entered, Namibia. Sales destination, Nigeria. You can see the serial number, the product, the class, it's class A. I always tell you that we say A+. And you can see Jinko product. Any panel that you cannot verify like this and is claimed to be a Jinko panel is fake. Take it from me. If you are interested, I can send you this link for you to verify every panel you buy. Ask your importer which country. Sometimes it can be Ghana, it can be South Africa, sometimes it can be Nigeria. But you have to verify. It can't be away from those African countries. You check for you to verify their authenticity. So my friends, as you can see in that demonstration, I've shown you how to verify original Jinko panel. Any Jinko panel that you cannot verify the way I demonstrated to you is fake. Take it from me. So thank you. We are always here to supply you original Jinko panel. We have loads of containers in our warehouse. We have 630, we have 625, we have 580, we have 555, we have 475. And we have in stock lithium battery, Galaxy lithium battery. Of course, they are in hundreds as quantity that you want. We have 48 volts, we have high voltage, we have day inverter. We also distribute day inverter. And all our Galaxy lithium battery are certified by DEA. We have a certificate from DEA certifying our batteries. So you can reach out to us. We are always at your service. Thank you very much. God bless.